My name is Rick Grissom, driver of the number 38 hauler for Front Row Motorsports. We pre-maintain everything on the truck and trailer. From lighting to cooling to oil, lubricants and all that, the grease, the maintenance, the service. We oversee all that on the road and at the shop.
I'm Ernest Mullins, hauler driver for 38 for Front Row Motorsports, and jack of all trades, master of none. I've been a truck driver almost 18 years. 39 years old, started driving at 20. Ran my own company, owner-operator. Mystik grease was essential for maintaining, lubricating all the parts up under the truck and fifth wheel, and just having it on hand was essential to me.
I've been in racing since I was 10 years old. I've been on the parts side, so I've had to order the products for the drivers and the teams and the trucking side of it. Coming from a mechanic's son, lubricity is the main thing of anything you're doing in this industry. From the transporter going down the road to the race car on the track.
Having the right kind of oil can get you out of a lot of jams, and properly changing your oil on time definitely helps.
If the truck isn't maintained properly and you don't make it to the racetrack, you're not going to have a sponsor next week.
Getting his car there and getting all his equipment there we need that. And so it's getting there in a timely fashion without having to worry about if the truck is going to break down. We make sure we cover every basis from this truck from front to back. Once we get there, it's all balls to the wall.
Sigard and Mystik are the perfect combination for our organization here at Front Row Motorsports.